Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with what I believe is the best sliding countertop appliance tray on the market. Introducing the Prime Pick Solutions Bamboo Countertop Appliance Slider with 360 feet wheels. This sliding tray is a game-changer for anyone tired of reaching into cramped corners or struggling to move heavy kitchen appliances. With its 360-degree glide feature, it effortlessly moves in all directions, making it a breeze to access your coffee maker, air fryer, or any other heavy appliance. But what sets this slider apart from the rest?
Well, let's start with its construction.
Made from premium 0.8 thick solid bamboo right here in the USA, it's built to handle even the heaviest of appliances.
And speaking of heavy appliances, the non-slip timber surface ensures that your appliances stay securely in place.
Say goodbye to those flimsy plastic alternatives.
But wait, there's more. With multiple size options available, you can customize this slider to fit your specific kitchen needs.
Whether you have a compact countertop or a spacious one, there's a size for you.
And let's talk about versatility.
This slider isn't just for coffee makers or blenders. It can accommodate a wide range of appliances, from toasters to stand mixers.
You name it, this slider can handle it.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room: installation.
Luckily, there's no assembly required.
Simply place your appliance on the tray, and you're good to go. Plus, with its elegant bamboo finish, it adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen.
And there you have it, folks. The best sliding countertop appliance tray on the market.
If you're ready to reclaim your kitchen space and make appliance access a breeze, be sure to check out the Prime Pick Solutions Bamboo Countertop Appliance Slider.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.